always messy with it. And because I could see, like, when I went to Paris, I had one right in the middle of my forehead, and I kept messing with it. Concealer wouldn't even cover up the red that was left over from me, like, going like this. So, like, that's the thing. Like, I need to practice it myself because I'm not going to scar up my face. Okay, next one. Kristen 11, number 10. Which way do you face in the shower? I have this shower.
Get him, Grizzly.
You know what? Sometimes I'm going to close it because I get scared of ghosts. Oh my god, this is question. Do you have any weird body skills? Okay. Oh, this broken. Like her nose. Weird. Okay. Well, let's see. I think I've said this before, but I could actually exhale through